In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your money back from Amazon when you cancel an order. So here we are on a mobile device first, and later I'll also show you how to do it on a desktop or laptop. First, open the Amazon app and make sure you are logged into the same account that you used to place your order. To cancel an order on a phone, the first thing you want to do is tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, it will open up all of your Amazon account options. From here, go to Your Orders at the very top of the menu. This will display a full list of all your orders. At the top, you'll see any outstanding orders that haven't been delivered yet, and below that, you'll see all the orders that have already been delivered. Obviously, we want to focus on the orders that have not yet been delivered. There are actually two types of orders you can cancel. You can cancel orders that have already shipped, which can be a little more complicated, or you can cancel orders that have not yet shipped, which is usually much easier. As you can see, I have a couple of orders here that haven't shipped yet. Let's go ahead and select one of those. Once you tap on the specific order, scroll down to the Order Info section. Here, you'll see options like View or Change this order, or the option to cancel order. Since we want to cancel it, tap Cancel Order. The item you selected will automatically have a check mark, but if you have multiple items in the order, you can select or deselect them as you wish. You can also choose to provide a cancellation reason, although this is completely optional. You could say it was a mistake, but it's not required. After that, tap the yellow button that says Cancel Checked Items. The app will process the request for a moment, and then your order will be successfully canceled. You should also receive an email confirming that your Amazon order has been canceled. Now, if you want to cancel an order that has already shipped, there are a few extra steps. Tap on an order that is shipped, and you'll see a Cancel This Delivery option. When you select that, Amazon will let you know that if the package has already been delivered by the carrier, you will need to return it in order to receive a full refund. For orders that have not shipped, the refund usually happens immediately or within a day, but for shipped items, once you return the package, you will then get your money back. After reviewing the information, tap the Confirm Cancellation button and follow any instructions for returning the item. Once that's done, your refund will be processed. Now let's move over to the desktop version of Amazon. On a computer, open Amazon and make sure you're logged into the correct account. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Returns and Orders. You may be asked to sign in again. Once signed in, you'll see a list of all your orders, similar to what we saw on the mobile device. Next to each order, you'll see a Cancel This Delivery button. If the item has not been delivered yet, you can cancel immediately and get your refund. If it has been delivered, you'll need to return it first to receive the full amount. After confirming the cancellation on desktop, your refund process is complete. And that's how you get your money back from Amazon when you cancel an order, whether on mobile or desktop.